The AI industry, the game right now is changing, and is changing for good, improving the life for content creators, advertisers, and social media marketers. Yes, with this new update, creating AI videos for your faceless YouTube channel is now easier than ever thought. Yes, with this new update of text to video generation, there is a new text to video app or tool that can actually help you create any style of video, be it a cinematic video, a dreamlike video, or a vintage video. Yes, any type of video at all. This new AI tool can actually convert your text into stunning and high quality videos, just like what you saw at the beginning of this video. Yes, if this is what you want to learn, stick to this video to the end, because I'll be sharing with you guys how you can explore this new AI tool for free, though it's still free as at the time making this video, and also you can maximize the use of this new AI text to video generator. Yes, let's dive in.
Before we get started creating our video using Google AI Studio, you must make sure that you have gotten the prompts for your story. So I've already gone to ChatGPT and I've told it that I want to use an AI text to video tool to create a video. And I asked it to, can you help me with any unique short cinematic? So you must put in the kind of video you want to create, if it's a cinematic, a Ghibli studio kind of video, or any kind of video at all. So I told it to give me a short cinematic action video idea I can use for that. So this is what it gave to me, but this is not like a prompt. This is just it's giving me the plot, this and everything. So I told it to give a short descriptive text to video prompt for it. So you can see what it gives me right here. Yeah, you can see what it gives me. So this is now the prompt I'll be using, and I'm going to paste this particular prompt into Google AI Studio.
This is the interface. You can see this one is right thing. Just scroll through and cancel it first. Cancel this one. So you might also see an interface that will ask you to agree. Just agree to the terms and condition. So this is how the interface is. So you have to put in the email address or the Google address that you have a Google Drive with. So I'm going to tap on confirm, and it's going to link my Google Drive account. So guys, as you can see, this is the interface of Google AI Studio. So what I'm going to do is that I will make sure that this very place I tap on it, I make sure that it is on the latest version, this Gemini 2.5 Flash preview, and make sure it's on that. And for us to generate our video, I'll tap on these three lines, and then I'm going to tap on video generate. I'll tap on that, and once I have tapped, I'll tap on this icon here, and then you can see, make sure that the settings is already on View 2. Then the number of resolve, I just want 1 for now. And then the aspect ratio, since we're using a YouTube aspect ratio, make sure it's on 16:9. Then the duration, the max that is for free is 8 seconds, and these other ones are okay. So you can put in your negative prompt. You don't want it to be blurry, you don't want it to you then have to describe your video in here. So I tap on it and paste in my video prompts. So guys, this is what we generated from our prompts. Let me play it so that you see. Wow guys, this looks so nice. So since you are done with this, you go ahead and download it. This is one of the videos I generated.